Okay, I'll quickly address everybody. Uh, my journey started with music my journey with music started when I was a kid. And it was only with passion, not as a profession in mind. Even after my MBA and MCOM and working a few years, I realized that music was always pulling me back to it. I quit everything and took to music. In India, even today, the kind of music that is heard by common public is ruled by film music. It's popular, it's glitzy, it's glamorous, it's fun, it's entertainment, and it emotionally moves people. It bridges the video of the film with the audience. It is magical to be part of this amazing music industry, be it Collywood, Tollywood, Sandalwood, Mollywood. Um, it has given me everything that I have today, and I respect all the hard-working players in it, be it music directors, musicians, directors, producers, actors. Everybody is working really hard to make the film a success. So in this, the film or the video finally is the main product. When it comes to independent music, the song and the song video is the end product. And more often than not, that one musician usually envisions the song and then brings it out. So every singer has music in them, and only then they become singers. Keeping that in mind, every singer wants to express his or her own ideas and musical sensibilities. Expression is the prime need for any artist. Um, Hold on, sorry. Yeah, expression is the prime reason for any artist, and that was the biggest reason for me to do this single. I imagined doing this single to cater and entertain a varied audience, and that's why I thought of releasing the song in four languages, which is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, and Hindi. Hindi because I was brought up in Delhi for the first 12 years of my life. Although I've not sung any Hindi song in any movie, it's always been regional languages. But this is another interest that I had, that I wanted to sing a Hindi song for myself. There was also a need to make sure that the audience is engaged for the length of the song. And today with YouTube, there is an inherent need to have beautiful visuals to bring out the song's flavor. That was the idea behind making a concept-based song and producing a good video. I thus partnered with Channel 7, comprising of budding cameramen, directors Arun and Shalu from Kerala. The song Trash or Chetta talks about problems in a relationship and how one must look to getting this trash out of the system. Of course, practically speaking, it is a tough job to clean up a relationship, but my song, in a light-hearted way, coaxes one to do so. The language used in the lyrics is very simple and is conversational. There is no gender bias, unlike most modern songs where they blame the girl for all the relationship issues. And Anand Srinam has been very kind enough to write lyrics for this. He's written beautiful lyrics for this song. Thank you, Anand, again, for being part of an independent initiative. It was very important for me to say that independent music has no comparison with film music, because a lot of people will ask, oh, you're composing, so do you want to become a music director? No, I don't want to become a music director, because composing for movies is a different and tough art altogether. I have worked very closely with Mani sir. I have worked very closely with Mani sir. I have worked very closely with Taman also, and I understand the what amount of hard work that they put into it, how tough it is to please directors and producers. Just converting a scene into a song is such a tough art. And for me, I don't know, I would not be able to fit into that. In fact, in independent music or the song that I have done, these are my own ideas. I am the king. I decide what I want to put in. So it's much easier for me doing that than to compose for movies. In terms of film music, the best part is there is a huge promotion. There are actors. There is a lot of money involved. So there is a lot more that you can do in film music. But when it comes to independent music, it's always a struggle for independent artists, because there is lack of producers or sponsors to invest in a song or an album. Also, many musicians cannot live off independent music, because music labels are also not supporting us as of now. There used to be a time when there was a lot of indie pop with Daler Mehendi and KK and so many things happening, but now that's not happening because of various reasons. So I hope there will be a time when labels start monetizing it differently, and help independent musicians come up. So there will be film music, there will be non-film music, and both will coexist very well. Because there is an audience which wants to listen to non-film music too. I hence thought of investing in my own single and produced it right from the audio to video with absolutely no know-how or previous experience. I also managed to edit some of the video portions at a friend's place due to lack of budget. It was a learning experience to be composing, arranging, programming, producing, singing, recording, acting, managing people, writing lyrics. I wrote lyrics in Tamil with my friend Naveen, and also ending up editing a little bit of the video. But during this whole journey, I made a lot of friends and help came from various quarters. And I would like to take this moment to thank everybody. They happen in Hyderabad, even before I could do a launch in Tamil. But it so happens that I want to release the whole album itself, which is all the languages. Without all of the above, I couldn't have made this happen. From the Telugu music industry, I would like to first thank Mani Sharma Garu, who really walked baby steps with me, and other singers like Naveen and Ranjit, who helped us grow as singers. Have to thank my buddy Taman, who's on the way, for all the support that he's given me throughout to come here, but he couldn't. My parents have always been silently behind me, and I still live with them for a reason. I silently respect and love them for being there for me. Thank you. And okay, without further ado, I would like to, shall I? Oh. తెలిసింది తెలిసింది చిక్కుకున్నానే నీ వలలో తల వంచి నిన్నుచున్న ఈ శూన్యములో ఓరి నాయను ఇట నేను నీ వల్ల అలాడినా నీ బతుకుతో అటు ఇటు కొట్టుమిట్టులాడినా అది అది ఇవాళ్ళంటూ నన్నే హింసించేటి సమయమికపోతే హాయి ఈ ప్రేమ ఒక చెత్త లారీరా మంచిగా తోలుతున్నా అరే చెత్త చెత్త చూడరా ఈ ప్రేమ ఒక చెత్త కాదెప్పుడు అబ్బాయిలు పాపలు జంటగా రేపుమంటేరా తెలిసింది తెలిసింది చిక్కుకున్నానే నీ వలలో తల వంచి నిన్ను చున్న ఈ శూన్యములో చేయాలిరా ఈ ప్రేమ అరే చెత్త కాదెప్పుడు అబ్బాయిలు పాపలు జంటగా చేయురచ్చేరా వెళుతూనే పొరపాటున పడిపోయానా కలలాంటి నిన్నే చూసి కరిగానా ఆవిరయానా
వెరీ గుడ్ మార్నింగ్ అందరికీ. ఈరోజు రాహుల్స్ సింగిల్ లాంచ్ చెత్త 4 లాంగ్వేజెస్లో లాంచ్ చేస్తున్నాడు ఈరోజు. సో మాకు ఇట్స్ లైక్ ఫ్రమ్ అవర్ టీమ్ ఒకడు he took the step and he wanted to do this very big, and so my singers Ranjit, Rahul, Keba, one of the finest guitarists in India. Alap మీకు తెలుసు ఎందుకో ఏమో సాంగ్ పాడేది తెలుసు, మీకు అందరికి తెలిసి ఉంటుంది. సో ఇంత గ్రేట్ టీమ్ వచ్చి ఈరోజు వీఆర్ సపోర్టింగ్ రాహుల్ ఇన్ అ బిగ్ వే, అండ్ వీఆర్ సో హ్యాపీ ఫర్ హిమ్ అండ్ హిస్ ఎఫర్ట్స్. అన్నీ చాలా కష్టపడ్డాడు లాస్ట్ 1.5 ఇయర్గా ఈ ఆల్బమ్ రెడీ చేయడానికి. సో ఈ సింగిల్ కోసం ఈ వీడియో షూట్ చేయడం కానీ అన్నీ హీ టుక్ లాట్ ఆఫ్ ఎఫర్ట్స్ అండ్ చాలా చాలా వెరీ ట్రూగా వర్క్ చేశాడు. సో ఐఎమ్ రియలీ హ్యాపీ అండ్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు సపోర్ట్ హిమ్ బిగ్ టైమ్ ఫర్ దిస్, అండ్ సో వీఆర్ హియర్ టుడే ఫర్ దిస్ లాంచ్ అండ్ హోప్ యూ ఆల్ విల్ రిసీవ్ ఇట్ ఇన్ అ బిగ్ వే. థ్యాంక్ యూ.
థ్యాంక్ యూ సో మచ్.
650 పాటల్లో ప్రతి ఒక్కరూ కొత్తగా రాయమని అడిగిన వాళ్ళే, రాహుల్ ఒక్కడే చెత్తగా రాయమని అడిగాడు. ఇక్కడికి వచ్చి పోస్టర్ చూస్తే చాలా ఖర్చు పెట్టి ఉంటాడు. సింగం 2లో హీరో సూర్య అనుకుంటాను అక్కడ యాక్ట్ చేసింది అనుకున్నాను, తర్వాత తెలిసింది అది రాహులే అని. అంత అందం ఈ 2 సంవత్సరాలు ఎలా వచ్చాడో ఆ సీక్రెట్ మనకు చెప్పాలి ఆయన. ఈ పాట తాలూకు సాహిత్యానికి ఏదైనా ఘనత దక్కుతుంది అంటే అది రాహుల్కే దక్కుతుంది. కారణం అతను తమిళ్లో రాసిన దాన్ని నేను తెలుగులో చేసాను తప్పితే పూర్తిగా నా ఆలోచనలు కాదవి. అందుకని ఈ పాట తాలూకు ఏదైనా గొప్పదనం ఉంటే సాహిత్యంలో ఆ ప్రశంసలన్నీ రాహుల్కి అందించండి. ఏదైనా పొరపాట్లు దొల్లితే ఆ బాధ్యత నేను తీసుకుంటాను. ఇలా సినిమాయేతర సంగీతం కూడా మనకు ప్రజాదరణ పొందుతూ ఉంటే ఎంతోమందికి ఉపాధి కలుగుతుంది. ఆ మనసుతో కూడా ఈ పాటను విని ఆనందించి దీనికి విజయానికి చేకూరుస్తారని మనస్ఫూర్తిగా ఆశిస్తూ విరమిస్తున్నాను.
థ్యాంక్ యూ.
Thank you.